Hello there, Lincoln W. Dunner here from Retail Street with breaking news from GameStop. Yes, that GameStop, the mall store that you probably forgot exists. Anyway, I'm being told by headquarters that GameStop is launching their first. What was that, sir? You said a hybrid EV. What? Oh, okay. So GameStop is launching their first hybrid EV esports betting van. That's right. They are launching their first EV esports betting van. That is right. They're launching into all three of the hottest markets right now. That's EVs, that's esports, and that's sports betting. GameStop is, whoa, I'm being told that Andrew Left from Satire Research has passed out, and he's being rushed to the hospital right now. And that news comes on the heels of Michael Burry joining GameStop and saying that he is going long on GameStop. Oh wait, whoa, okay, there's more breaking news from GameStop. GameStop has hired the former CEO of Chewy. That's right, the pets snacks company. Their new CEO is that guy, the pets guy. And wait, okay, I'm getting more news. Okay, so I'm being told that the CEO of GameStop is now going to launch a stock trading app for pets to trade their snacks. Wait, come in again. They're trading their pet snacks on Robinhood for pets. Can you clarify? I'm trying to report this to the people, but I'm not understanding this correctly, or maybe I am. Okay, so it turns out that GameStop is launching their trading apps for pet snacks. That's what I'm being told. That's what it is. And let's just go to the markets right now. And it turns out that GameStop has gone parabolic. GameStop has gone from, whoa. Okay, so what? GameStop was at $3 per share last March, and as of this week, they were at $39 per share on January 20th, and today they have gone up to $218 per share. And I'm being told again, some more breaking news, that Elon Musk has jumped in and said there are game stonks, and GameStop has risen to $230 per share. Oh, coming again, sir. You said Chamath Palihapitiya is jumping in. He's putting in hundreds of thousands of dollars, and I'm being told that more shorts are losing their shorts. What is going on here, people? I need to take a seat, but I can't. I have some more breaking news coming in today. Sir, wait, slow down, sir. What was that? You're telling me that a short seller has lost all of his clothes? And you're telling me that the guys on CNBC say that the retail investors are colluding to manipulate the markets? Are you telling me that's correct? They're becoming fearful? Whoa. So you're telling me, sir, that the guys, the Big Cats, the big guys on CNBC are telling you that they believe that retail investors are not stupid after all? Oh no, you're telling me otherwise. They think that retail investors are actually even more stupid now, but they are winning this market. They are driving up the short squeeze, and the shorts they are losing billions of dollars, I'm being told, as the stock continues to go up. Oh, whoa, I am in aftermarket right now, and it has gone up 48% after 92% today. Lord, I am not religious, but I'm calling all my grandmothers to pray for the shorts of GameStop. They need the ancestors to rain down some praise on them. I am coming in today, and it turns out that I'm getting more breaking news. Wait. What's that, sir? You're telling me that GameStop is actually launching their space exploration division? Sir, what is the point of that? Diversification? Or are they trying to send pet snacks up to space? Do they have a strategy? Sir, what are the fundamentals here? I want to understand to relate that to the audience. Oh, you're telling me they're just having fun? They got some tips from the Wall Street Bets Reddit? and they're going with it. Oh, okay. So it turns out that GameStop is launching their galactic vision for the future of game console space travel to mine rare minerals on asteroids that were needed to create game consoles, the next generation game consoles. You're telling me that GameStop, that's right, that GameStop, the ones from the malls, the ones from King of Prussia, the ones from Destiny USA, that GameStop, they're going to space? They're going to compete with Virgin Galactic for space travel in the gaming space, sir? Wait. Okay, it turns out that is being reported by Bloomberg's News, and their shorts have exited. They've all covered, and they're gone. There is a recession, but it's of the big cats. The institutional investors have lost everything. Robinhood has succeeded in its mission to transfer wealth from the wealthy to the poor. And it turns out that Wall Street is under construction. Lord, if you're out there, I've never asked you for anything else, but I'm going to ask you today that if there is any grace, please send it for the shorts. Well, one more thing. I'm being told that Bill Ackman is raising the biggest SPAC ever to double PSTH to take GameStop private. No, that's not right. Okay. Okay, turns out that GameStop is going to offer new shares at $400 per share because they believe that this cannot stop, and it will not stop. The retail investors will have their way with the shorts. I'm Lincoln W. Daniel. Thank you again for sticking with me throughout this crazy breaking news. And now let's get back to the previously scheduled program. Thank you. Hey there, Lincoln here from BoyleAcademy.org. Today I want to talk to you about GameStop and what's going on with the short squeeze. If you don't know what a short squeeze is, if you don't know what short selling is, I urge you to go watch my video explaining short selling and how it works and why it's an extremely risky vehicle for investing. I don't understand why anyone would take this route to invest in because there is very little upside and unlimited downside. That's literally the opposite of what you want when investing. And that's literally the opposite asymmetric risk that you would want as an investor. If you don't know what asymmetric risk is, it's the holy grail of investing. And you should go watch my video explaining that early on last year because you must understand asymmetric risk. And it turns out that these shorters do not understand the extent of their negative asymmetric risk in this day and time. Robinhood investors, retail investors, people on Wall Street bets are out to prove Wall Street and the big cats wrong. And I don't know if it's a good idea, but they're winning. They've been able to take a stock that was trading at $4 per share back in March of last year because, for good reasons, because GameStop has not been able to innovate over the years as console games have gone digital, and GameStop's main business of used games resales have just gone down the drain. And so for some reason, I don't understand why, but I'm not doubting this guy. But it is curious that they hired a guy from the pets industry to somehow turn him around. And it turns out that Michael Burry, the Big Short, is on their side. So they might be doing something right, but I don't know if this stock price is justified. Probably it's not. Most likely it's not justified. Most likely what's going to happen is this is going to continue to ride up for at least this week, if it lasts this week, and it's going to crash down spectacularly. And when it does crash down, many people are going to get burnt. And I'm sorry to say that, but that's what's going to happen. We've seen it over and over again. This happened with Kodak. Kodak went up thousands of percents in a few days and then crashed down. And now it's trading around, let's see, what's Kodak trading at right now? In the last year, Kodak went from trading at $2 per share to, within a few days, to over $30 per share. That's over 848% from where it was. And that happened in a few days. And now it's back down to $5 per share and then $8 per share. And now it's at $12 per share. So we're back down to 240%. So it didn't completely drop to the bottom, back to where it was, but now it's definitely way back down from its peaks. And this will happen with GameStop unless the company can actually turn around the business. They haven't innovated, and I don't know how or what their plans are. I haven't looked at their plans, and I don't know if anybody has, but their stock is just going parabolic. Hey, it's fun. I've been having fun laughing at this. The whole reason I made this whole video is because one of my patrons earlier said that, what did he say? Shout out to Noel W. He said this headline: GameStop to launch first hybrid car entering into EV and peripherals. I had a good laugh at that one. That's just hilarious. So I'm here eating my popcorn, enjoying my laugh, and just watching this all unfold. Chamath Palihapitiya joined in. Elon Musk joined in. Michael Burry's behind this, backing it at least as an investor. And then there's Andrew Left from Satire Research, who was against Jumia and then flipped and now is for Jumia, which I respect because Jumia is going to continue to grow and I'm investing heavily into that. Andrew's probably right here. He's probably right that GameStop is not a great company. But I don't understand why investors would short a company when they know that there is limited upside for them. Why not invest in a company with unlimited upside? So if you're buying GameStop today, I have this here because there's fire and I see fire coming. There's going to be a lot of fire soon. And right now it's fine. This is very fine right now. But soon there will be fire. And this guy will still be saying this is fine, but he's just a dog. He's just a stuffed dog. He doesn't know anything, but you do. Please be careful. If you're gonna hop into GameStop on the way up, you might be getting in at the top. And what happens when you get at the top? You get burnt, and you get burnt very hard because when it retracts, when there's corrections, which will come, it always comes. When it comes, you will be burnt. And I don't want to see any of you burnt. That's really the point of this video today. I have fun making that whole parody. I never did that before, but it was very fun. But on this channel, what we do is we teach investing for the long term by practicing the bull mentality. The bull mentality is that we know what we invest in, we understand what we invest in, we believe in what we invest in, and we hold for the long term because that's how we build wealth in this country. That's how we give ourselves the best chance of success on the stock market. So that means that we invest in things that we believe are going to actually succeed in the future. I personally would not invest in GameStop because I don't see any reason why they have to succeed. Businesses fail. Some businesses will die out, and that's fine. That's how business works. You build something, you innovate, you keep innovating, you keep growing, and then you maintain. And if you don't innovate again, you will die. If you don't keep up, you will fade away. And that is natural. Let it happen. Death is a very good part of life. If things never died, there'd be very little urgency and little innovation. So please know that I know you all are very smart out there, but I just want to come out and reiterate, just as a reminder, just in case you have that devil on the side of your shoulder saying, buy GameStop, buy GameStop. I'm here to say, hey, slow down, take a second and reconsider that GameStop was trading at $2 per share about a year ago. And somehow, after being at $9 per share in October, and then November being at $11 per share, and then at $20 last or 2 weeks ago, somehow it's jumped up to $200 per share. And people are buying it at $50, $100, $200, $230. If you got it for free, hey, maybe keep it and see where it goes because you have nothing to lose. And if you got it for $20 per share, you've already 10x'd your money. Maybe it's time to realize that this cannot last, that GameStop's not worth, let's see what the market cap is. I'm being told GameStop's being valued at $5.78 billion. GameStop? When was the last time you seen a GameStop? I went to college and forgot they existed. That was back in 2013. I haven't heard of those guys for a long time. I mean, I don't play games much, but I do know that the PS4 has all digital downloads. So does the Xbox. GameStop makes their money from reselling used games. Physical games. That business is dying. That's why their share was at $2 per share a year ago. So point is that GameStop is being valued at $6 billion. There's many other companies that actually have real business models that are not valued as such. Tattoo Chef Inc. Heard of them? Jumia, the Amazon of Africa, with Jumia Pay, Jumia Logistics, they're valued at $4 billion. Grubhub is being valued at $6.5 billion. So you're telling me that GameStop is as valuable as Grubhub? I don't know about that. So look at the numbers. Hey, fundamentals still matter. I know we're having fun, but we have to be safe here. We have to not just join in on the hype. We don't invest on hype and FOMO. Haven't seen that video? Go watch it because it's important. We have to be careful. Yes, we want to take risk. We want to be risk on. But we have to take asymmetric risk. Take risks that have greater potential of upside and greater amounts of upside than downside. GameStop is not that at this price. Maybe at $2 per share it was. Maybe at $10 per share it was. Maybe even $20 per share if they can pull off an actual comeback. But at 200, being worth as much as Grubhub and Jumia, more than Jumia, this will not be fine very soon. And I want you all who are watching this video, if you're in GameStop, reconsider your GameStop moment, please. I'm not saying buy, sell, or hold. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to be the voice of reason. I know I'm always the buzzkill. When I was a kid, that's what I did. I was always watching out for my friends as the parent in the group. And that's who I am. I'm just cautious. So I'll make sure no one falls and pops their eye. Have your fun. I had my fun just now. I enjoyed filming this video, but the fun is going to end at some point, and the bigger fool theory will kick in. Do not be the greatest fool. Do not be the last fool who buys the stock at the peak. The bigger fool, the biggest fool, always gets burnt badly. And if you're a novice, if you're new to investing, I don't want to see you get turned off from investing because you got burnt in a hype meme stock. Wall Street Bets is having their fun. Retail investors are having their fun. CNBC, I am so happy to see you guys putting CNBC on skates, trying to figure out what's going on here. Because I don't like those guys. They're always talking down to us. And they want to manipulate the markets so that we lose and they keep winning. But the moment we start winning, they start trying to figure out what's going on here, what's wrong, why is this happening, why are all these dumb retail investors messing up the game for us? Well, we get the game now, and we're going to play it, we're going to keep playing it, but not if we get burnt on meme stocks. So please be careful. Please go watch my videos on asymmetric risk, short selling if you don't know what short selling is, on not investing in hype and FOMO, and if you have the time, since you're here, go watch all of our videos at bullacademy.org. We teach long-term bullish investing to build long-lasting sustainable wealth that will enable you to retire on your terms, not when you're 65 and not when you can't enjoy life anymore. So I want to see you all win, and I want to see you in this market for the long term. And for many of you out there, that won't happen if you get burnt hopping on the bandwagon, hopping on the hype, and being the bigger fool. The bigger fool theory is real. If you see something going up parabolically and you buy in as it goes up, it will come back down. And depending on how high you jumped in, you could fall much further than those who got in before you. So don't fall too far, please. Be careful. And that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, like the video below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and comment your thoughts below. If I am being too much of a buzzkill, let me know. And if you believe in GameStop, hey, that's great. Let me know why. Let's talk about it. Explain to everyone here why you're investing long on GameStop. And if you have a good reason, then great. I'm happy for you. But if you cannot explain why you're buying this and what the business case is, the fundamentals, basic fundamentals. Are they making money? What's their plan to make more money? How long can they survive without issuing more shares and diluting this company even further? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to read it and we can discuss. And lastly, if you want to help the channel grow and reach more investors and get more access to me and get direct answers to your investment questions, then join us over at patreon.bullacademy.org. There are over 90 of us now in our Discord channel, and we discuss the stocks and specs that we're all investing in to help one another make better investment decisions. And we found out about many deals early on before everyone else because we are able to collaborate and share new ideas so that we can all do our own research and share that research with the whole community. We got in early on CCIV, we got in early on SBE, and so many more. And as I get more bullish on new investments, I share my research and my due diligence with everyone in the community so that they can make their own choices and get in before everyone else. So when I'm not making videos and sharing knowledge on the YouTube channel, I'm sharing it with our Discord members, our community, and the ones that keep the channel running by supporting the channel. So if you're interested in join us over at patreon.bullacademy.org. And of course, you have a chance of winning $200 every month just for being a loyal and engaged patron. So I hope to see you over in the community. I'm Lincoln with bullacademy.org. Thank you again and have a great day.